Guys, so this is video 2 about decimals into the hundredths place. Yesterday we learned how to say decimal into the hundredths place. Here it is again on my board. This here is 0 and 36 hundredths. The reason we say hundredths is because the last digit ends in the hundredths place. If we didn't have this, this would just be 0 and 3 tenths, okay, because the last digit tells us what word to say. Today we're just going to work on, I'm going to remind you how we changed a decimal into a fraction last week with tenths, and we're going to do the same today with hundredths. So last week, if we had 0 and 3 tenths, it's like saying 3 tenths. If you just heard that 3 tenths, you would probably think of a fraction. You would go like this, 3 tenths. Okay, now if you see this one up here, right now I have 0 and, oh, it's really hard to see, but it's a 4. Can you see it? No, obviously not. There it is. 0 and 45 hundredths. So when you hear 45 hundredths, you just write it down like this in a fraction. 45 hundredths. That means that if you had 100 pennies in a dollar, you would have 45 of them, okay? It's like 45 pieces out of the 100-piece set or something. 100 puzzle pieces, you took 45 of them, okay? So if I add that 6 back here, and this is 36 hundredths, the way we write that as a fraction is just to go 36 hundredths. Okay, the reason you know the 100 is on the bottom is because the last digit is in the hundredths place. If the last digit was in the tens place, you would put a 10 on the bottom of the fraction like this one here. Okay, so give that a try today. Be very careful. I'm going to see if I can trick you, but we're doing those fractions. Remember, where is the last digit? That's how you will know what to put it over, okay? Good luck.